Hi, we need 1 liter of milk and 12 eggs. Into the hot milk, almost boiling, we need to spill all 12 eggs and cook it on the medium until liquid and the uh, eggs with the cheese will separate from the liquid. So yeah, it's supposed to look like this. So not now it is time to stop to cook. Right now we are going to drain it. So yeah, it is like this. Yeah, enough. Let's drain, and we have to put this under the press for the night. And so in the morning you can take it out and try. It's really tasty because it has calcium, vitamins. It feels like, it tastes like cheese, and you don't feel egg, but oh, it's really, really, really tasty. Enjoy it. Thank you.